Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Can you do that? Tongue tied. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. It's your girl Ava, aka Sandoon, and today I have my sister-in-law here in the kitchen with me,
Markel. How y'all doing?
Today we're going to be making Southern Peach Cobbler. I guess it's Southern. I don't know. Peach Cobbler is everywhere, but we're gonna make peach cobbler.
That's what we doing.
All right. So we have 4 cans of 15-ounce peaches, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Okay, and I'm gonna let Markel come open up the peaches and put them in the pot.
Come on, baby. Open up the stuff. Come on, baby.
One down, 3 to go.
Y'all remember, at 100 subscribers, we will start giveaways. So help
And who don't
us
like
get,
free stuff?
help us get the 100.
Right.
Anyway, free.
Hit that little like button.
Like,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
There's a little button down there, the little watermark. All you have to do is click on it.
At the bottom of the corner of your screen.
Okay.
Oh, we got one that's stuck in there.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, you get stuff. Come on out. There you go. Okay. Are you getting the pot?
Now I can get the pot though.
Come on.
Alright, y'all, there's the pot.
Okay. So now we have a cup of sugar that I'm going to put some in here. Are you over here looking?
Yeah.
And we're just going to stir that up some. I'm going to add the rest of it. Stir it up, and that's a cup of sugar. And the full recipe will be in the description below. Gonna do a bit of brown sugar.
I want some of your brown sugar.
Just mix some of that in there.
Want some of your brown sugar.
Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of that. Just gonna stir that cup of brown sugar in here.
We in the kitchen and
Yeah.
whipping.
Okay, then we're gonna turn the heat on. I'm gonna say maybe about 6, medium heat. Then we're going to add.
We're gonna let your sister do a little
I
stir.
was. Give me time, shoot.
All right.
Okay. Cinnamon and nutmeg. Do a teaspoon of each in there. Yeah.
I can't see.
Where are your glasses at?
Work with me.
Do a good one, good size. Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
I'll knock some of that out. Right there.
That's cool. And that's a teaspoon of nutmeg.
Teaspoon, not tablespoon. Ready for this one?
You get more cinnamon. That's good. Yeah, that's perfect.
That's good.
And a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Again,
And
teaspoon, not tablespoon.
And you can always add more to your liking if you want. That's up to you. And I'm gonna also add a dash of vanilla, just a little bit. No measurement there, just a little bit. And we're gonna let this cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So the peaches have been cooking in the syrup for about 15-20 minutes now, and that looks so good. Look at that.
It smells delightful.
Yes, it does. Pie crust, and we're just gonna stretch it out just a little bit. You just want to place it in your pan. And I know y'all hear Jamal in the background there.
He excited for the peach cobbler.
What's happening? Ooh, one of these days, I'm gonna take a good old vacation.
How many of y'all out there got some little ones yourself?
With the whole family.
How many of y'all got little ones yourself that make you want to have a Calgon moment?
Which I'm going to shortly after this cobbler is done. Okay, you want to place that on there and do it just like this side? Okay, well, I'll go ahead and do it and then I'll let you do the stripes.
The stripes.
The little stripes, baby. I'm just gonna place that in there just like so. Just like this. All right, y'all.
What's her name, baby?
Miss Gina Young. We watch her all the time. I like
Gina
her.
Hello, everybody.
Everybody, I'm back.
Y'all check her channel out, man. She's good.
Shout out Miss Gina Young. We watch you all the time, baby.
Yep.
So, look like that. It's gonna be pretty good. I don't know where my sister-in-law went. She went somewhere.
Wash your hands.
Okay, well, she'll be back. So, what we're going to go ahead and do is pour all that goodness in here.
Ooh, wee.
Go there.
Lovely, lovely.
Don't that look good? And we're gonna take another already made
So you need 3 of those total,
crust.
correct?
Yeah, I've used 3. I might use another one. I don't know. I think 3 is enough. So. To do now. Spread it out a little bit. You know what? I don't really just need that. My cabinet is clean. Just do that there. And just take it.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's alright when you come home. And it don't have to be perfect. It's not gonna be perfect.
When you eat it, it don't go down perfect. Just,
Okay. Sis, I'm gonna let you come and go across
all right.
just like that. All across, kind of spread it out a little. Alright. I like that. A little bit closer. Yeah, perfect. That was good.
Stay to your left for a little bit.
See, y'all, I don't cook like this. I don't bake. I don't do all that. I'm just giving a helping hand.
And what we can do is just tear off the pieces if it goes over. Yeah, that's a big one too.
I'll let you tear them a while. I bet y'all want some peach cobbler now, huh? I know it. Put that last one.
Okay. And then what we're going to do, I'm gonna take one of these and we're gonna start going across. I'll probably get another hot crust here. Just go across.
y'all sweet junkies like we are, I gotta have me some sugar. Sometimes I can't go to sleep if I don't have any sweet. If I have to make a bowl of cereal. I'm a sad case, y'all.
We find some use for it. Wham bam.
Okay, we'll open up some more pie crust.
Alright. As y'all can see, she has now completed the webbing on the peach cobbler.
Yes, yes, yes.
Don't move it.
Oh, my bad.
There you go, guys. It hadn't been placed in the oven yet.
My mouth's starting to water.
She getting ready to put, what's your next step, baby? Butter?
Give me a second.
We're gonna let y'all check that out.
Hey.
Y'all hear our children? They stay crunk here.
Oh. Good old family time.
Alright, so you're gonna take some butter. It could be about a half a cup of butter, and she's just gonna brush it over.
Kind of turn the oven. Yeah, there you go.
My bad, y'all. And she's just gonna brush it over the crust, and that'll help the crust turn golden brown and cook. So just brush it all over the top of that. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees.
Y'all, I'm concentrating because I told y'all I don't do this.
Okay. And then you're gonna just pour that butter all in there. That's all you gotta do. Pour it all in there in the middle, all over it.
All of it?
Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah. That's perfect. All right. It's going to go into the oven.
It's about to get real.
All right, y'all. The peach cobbler is ready. It was in the oven for 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour until the crust turned golden brown. But there you have it. Peach cobbler. All right, y'all. The peach cobbler is hot. The ice cream is melting. But I thank y'all for tuning in. Subscribe, hit that like button. And there is the peach cobbler. All right, Markel, tell us what you think. Yeah, it's hot.
Y'all about to mess up.
So what's up?
Oh yeah.
All right,
There.
all right. Until next time on What We Eat. Peace.